Welcome back to my channel. It's XOXO Glam. I'm so glad you made it. I'm so glad you're here. If you're like me and you like to be nosy and go around your neighborhood and see what houses are being built, because there are so many houses being built around Disney in my neighborhood, I decided to take a walk through one of them and I took you with me. So I hope you enjoy it. How you appreciate that is you just go ahead and click on that subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up and let me know what's your favorite part of the decor. I am an avid decorator. I don't think my house will ever be done, but this house is very similar to mine. So go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy it. I also have a whole playlist on model homes, and I hope you enjoy it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you so much for subscribing.